Hello, dear kind hearted and spiritual woman. I'm Ilse, and I help women like you to rebuild self trust after controlling relationships. And in this session, I will guide you through the frequency meditation to release blockages and energetic pollution from your energetic field. So make yourself comfortable. You can lay down or you can sit as you wish. The goal is that you are not falling asleep. Gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and out. Allow your body to relax. Relax your jaw. Relax your forehead. Relax your shoulders. Feel the breath in your chest. Feel the breath in your belly. All is well. You're breathing, relaxing. Allow yourself to be here and now in this moment with all your attention. You are here and now. Allow your body to release any tension you're having. Now, gently visualize that you are in a beautiful meadow by the river. You're walking on a path to the river. There are beautiful flowers in a meadow. You feel your feet. You feel the blue sky above you. There's earth underneath you. You're just walking through the meadow to the river. Allow yourself to imagine this beautiful scenery of sun shining, the blue sky, colorful meadow, and you feeling free, grounded, supported by earth and the blue sky. You're coming closer to the river and you hear the sounds of it. They're so calming. You stop and listen to the sounds and look into the water and see the reflections of the sun. You feel the earth underneath you and the blue sky above you. Now, gently, you follow the path by the river. It is beautiful. There are flowers everywhere. They smell so nice. You feel the earth underneath you. And you hear that The sounds from the river becomes louder, and you follow the path till you reach the waterfall. Beautiful. Sun is shining into the water. It is not huge. It is so comfortable and nice, and you really want to get into this waterfall to wash away all your worries. So you are going straight into it. It is summer, it is warm, it is nice, and you are ready to allow yourself to fully experience this moment of water cleansing you. So you step on the rock under the waterfall. Take a deep breath and allow the water to come on your head, on your shoulders. The strength of the water is exactly as you need to release, to get rid of all the worries and stresses that are in your head and around your shoulders. You are standing under the waterfall, allowing the water to cleanse your body and your energy, your aura. Water flows freely through you. Allow yourself to just be still and enjoy the moment. And if you feel that some heavy emotion or life event is activating, just say, I release it. I'm grateful for the lesson. I let it go. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. All that is not needed anymore. They can be worries, they can be past events, they can be even deeper emotional blockages. Just stand under this waterfall and experience the sun shining in your face, your breathing, allowing the water to flow and take away all that no longer serves you. You are powerful, standing on both of your feet, letting go of the things that you don't need anymore. And now gently say thank you to the water and step back to the path by the river and stand on the coast and look into beautiful light blue sky. Allow the sun to warm up your body. You smile. You feel the earth underneath your feet. And you feel the blue sky above you. And you allow the earth and the universe fulfill you with clean, powerful energies from the source. You're breathing in and breathing out. Your body is filling up with the strength of the earth and the light blue healing energies from the universe. And you allow these energies to flow into your aura and imagine that your aura is also becoming bright and clear. Now, gently create a smile in your face. Breathe and feel your body here and now in this moment. Feel the room you are in and your body. You breathe in and out. Wiggle your fingers and toes and roll your shoulders and quietly whisper, "Thank you." And now you can gently open your eyes, stretch your arms, breathe in and out. Thank you for joining this session. I would love to hear how you felt in the comment section below. Thank you.